our channel IAPT Learners Hub. Today I am going to discuss about final set of treasure statements, that is jump statements. These statements are used to control the execution of the statements. Generally the execution of the program from start to bottom. Okay, how we are written the program as it is executed, as it is will get the output. But sometimes we want to control the execution of statements depending on some condition or depending on making use of some keywords. At the time we can make use of this jump statements. Today I am discussing how to use the jump statements in the program. What are the different types of jump statements in the C++ language? C++ supports 4 types of jump statements in the program. First one is break, next one continue, third one go to, fourth one return. What are the purpose of various types of jump statements? Before I am going to discuss about the jump statements, let us have one program here. We will learn about the break statement. And it's working in loops with the help of examples. The break statement terminates the loop when it is encountered. Okay, what is the syntax of break statement? Break semicolon. Let us see how we can implement the break statement in the program. Generally, the loop statement is used to repeat the process. That is, to execute the body of the loop until the value of the looping variable reaches a final value. Okay? Each loop has 2 values, starting and final value. Okay? Looping continues until the condition is false. Once loop starts with the starting value of the looping variable, it ends when the looping variable reaches the final value. We could not terminate the loop, but sometimes we want to break the repetition of the loop, that is to terminate the loop. C++ provided the break statement to terminate the looping process. See this program. This is a normal program to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? Using the loop statement, we can print the expected output from 1 to 10. This is the starting value, this is the final value. It starts with the value of I is equal to 1 and ends with when the value of the I becomes 10. Loop will terminate. Okay, till that until the value of the I becomes 10, the process will repeat it. In between we cannot terminate. But if you want to terminate, we can use the break statement. See here this program. This program, when the value of the looping variable I becomes 4, that is I is equal to 4, loop should terminate. Here we can use the break statement. How we can implement it? First, give the condition. How to give the condition? If. You can use simple if. If whether the value of the I is equal to 4. You can write like this. Relation operator we can use I is equal to 4. Double equals with 4. Then next to give if the value of the I becomes 4, what should happen? You have to terminate the loop. Give the command for terminating the loop, break. Okay. This means that if I is equal to 4, the break statement terminates the loop. The value of the I is equal to 4, break it will terminate the loop. Hence, output does not include the values greater than or equal to 4. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3 greater than or equal to 5. Greater than or equal to 5, not 4, greater than or equal to 5. That is, till 4 we will get the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest of the numbers you won't get it. You will get the output like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because he given the condition to terminate the loop. The value of the I is equal to 4. The repetition should terminate. Okay. Then where to give the break statement? The body of the loop we have to give. Okay, the body of the, here is a repetition is happening. On the inside the body of the loop we have to give the break statement with the condition statements. Which condition we have given? Once it is satisfied the condition, the loop will terminate. Okay. The break statement is usually used with the decision making statements. Okay. This break statement is also used with the switch statement. Okay. That is the rule. Such a way we can implement the break statement in the program. Okay. Is it clear now how to use the break statements in the program? Next jump statement is continue. What is the function of continue statement? The continue statement breaks one iteration in the loop. If a specified condition arises, continues the next iterations in the loop. Okay. Here, see this program. Looping statement starts initial value with 1, final value pi plus increment. Then here we have given one condition. The I value of the I becomes 4. We have done jump statement continue. Let us see how it works. First time the value of the looping variable is 1. Condition is not satisfied. First number will print. Next time the value of the I is 2. Incremented by 1, 2. That time also condition is not matched. Second number print. Next time the value of the I becomes 3. That time also it is not matched. The condition is not true. Third number print. Fourth time the value of the I becomes 4. Here condition is satisfied. If I is equal to 4 is correct. Now value of the I is 4. I is equal to 4. Condition is true. That time the continuous statement will work. The continuous statement skips or breaks the current iteration. The fourth iteration skips and starts the next iteration. Okay. Then I becomes 5. The condition is evaluated again. And hence 5 is printed to the next iteration. Then which iteration is skipped here? The fourth, the condition statement, which number we have specified, that iteration is skipped. The fourth iteration is skipped. We get the output like this 1, 2, 3, 5. 4 we won't get it. Why? Because we given the condition, that number we specified here to skip or break that. The particular iteration we want to skip it. So we won't get that specified number in the output. Okay. Such a way we can implement the continuous statement in the loop structures or decision making statements. We can use the continue statement. Okay. That is syntax is the continue semicolon. Such a way we can implement this statement in this second jump statement in the C++ program. You can try in your laptop and see how it works. Let us discuss the third part of the jump statements goto. Okay. In the C++ programming, the goto statement is used for altering or changing the normal sequence of program execution by transferring control to some other part of the program. Okay. Let us discuss the syntax of goto statement. Goto label. Okay. Label is a identifier. When goto label is encountered, okay, once execute this statement, the control of program jumps to label and execute the statement below. Okay. The statement which are written here below the label, that will execute it. Okay. Is it clear now? I will say once again. Label is a identifier. This is statement go to label. Once this statement is executed, the control jumps to the label here and executes the code below it. Okay. This statement will execute. Such a way we can implement the go to statements in the program. Here see example. Go to X. X is the identifier. After execution of the statement, control jump to the X label run by X. Then the statement which are below in this, that will execute. Okay, is it clear? See this or how we can implement the go to statement in the program. Here, this is a program to find the sum and average of the given numbers. Okay. Here, using the looping variable, looping statement, we can enter the more than one number and find out the sum and average also. Okay. Here, maximum number, see this statement here, maximum number of inputs. How many total numbers you want to input. Okay. That declare I and a, looping variable and maximum number of inputs. Totally how many variables you require to input. Here I given the number 4. Based on this looping statement, once if you get the final value 4, the 4 times loop will repeat it. And as you know, see here loop starts and enter n I, that means first number 1, then see in number. First I given the value 20. Okay, and checking whether the given value is negative or positive, checking. If it is positive, automatically it find out the sum. Sum is equal to sum plus num. Sum in the initialized value, sum is equal to 0. 0 plus num, 0 plus 20, 20. Again next time we given the value 10. Again it will check whether the given value is negative, below 0. No, 10 is positive. Again it will find out the sum, 20 plus 10, 30. Again we entered the next number 30. Again it will check whether this is positive or negative. No, this is also positive. Again it will find out the sum, 30 plus 30, 60. Okay. Next time we given the value minus 9. Again it will check whether the given value is below 9 or below 0 or not. If it is 0, minus means below 0. Then what will do? Control of the program move to a jump state. Go to jump. This statement will execute. This is related to this symbol statement. Go to jump. Okay. Then control move to the identifier jump. Here, this is control will come here, and below which are the codes, which are the statements we have given, that will execute. Here what is find out the average. Sum is sum by total number of sum is 30 plus 60. 60 by I minus 1. I minus 1. Why I minus 1? Here I less than or equal to 1. 4 is no. 4 numbers we have given. No. Here now how many numbers you have given? 3 numbers. Okay. So 4 minus 1. 3. 1 is negative, no? Negative 1 calculate. Okay. 4 minus 1, 3. Then get the maximum average 20. Okay. Average is equal to 20. Such a way we can implement the jump statement in the program. You can try in your laptop the same program and find out the result. As soon as the return statement is executed, control stops the flow of the program and returns the control from where it was called in the function, the main program. Okay, this is the function of return statement. Let us see one example here. Here I have written one program with using functions. This is the main program. Here we have called the function my function. This is a statement for calling the function. This is the define the function. Okay. Control will enter this here. After executing the statement, control will go to the main function which is known by my function. We'll come here, we'll execute this function. As soon as control execute the statement return, control will stop the flow of the execution here and returns to the function where it was called in the program. It will come back with here and print the result x plus y. Okay, this is the function of return statement. Hope you learned the jump statements. How to implement the jump statements in the program. Next video I am going to discuss single dimension array. How to declare the array with examples. If you like this video, subscribe the channel, like and share also. Press bell button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay.